Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you are new in my YouTube channel, my name is Summer Bext. So guys, in today's topic, I'll be talking about relationship and also I'll be talking about friends. But first, I talk about relationship first. You see, it's not everything that happens in your relationship. Third party need to know. I'm talking about the women, the girls. No relationship is perfect in this world. If anyone tells you that, oh, my relationship is the best, it's perfect, everything is perfect, say to the person, I hear you. Not everybody you tell about your relationship. You know why? Because it's not everybody that's happy with your relationship, the way you are living. Do you think they're happy? No, they are not. Some people, when you discuss your relationship with them and you say, oh, this my man is good, is this, is that, is caring, is this, is this. They will say, oh, thank God for you. I'm so happy for you. I wish it's me. Meaning what? I wish is me. Meaning what? There's some certain things you don't say about your relationship, about your husband, about your boyfriend. There are some certain things you don't say outside. Let your relationship be your business. Let your relationship be your concern. Keep your relationship. Let your friends be your friends. Let your relationship be your relationship. Even if the man is not doing well, the man is not caring, the man, just try. Encourage him. He will come back one day. Encourage him. Tell him what he needs to know. Give him strength. Even if the man is angry, the man is worried, calm him down. Tell him, Daddy, you don't need to be worried. Everything will be okay. Everything is all right. You see, the man will just chill. The man will chill. The man will say, yeah, it's true. I know everything will be all right. Know that something will just happen in your relationship. You just go to the third party and start complaining. And you start saying, oh, this is how my man is. He's not doing this. I'm tired of this relationship. I'm tired of this marriage. The marriage is not going forward. The marriage is not going front and back. Who says saying you? They say you before. Who saying you? I don't think maybe I'm making sense. Let your relationship be your concern. Let your relationship be your business. You don't need third party in your relationship. Remove your relationship from your friends. Remove your relationship from your family. Every time before the man makes some mistake, you have to call your family and say, oh, this is what my man do, this is what my husband did. Don't worry, they ain't shut them. There are some certain people they are not happy because your relationship is going forward. They are not happy because you are happy. Anytime you are happy in your relationship, they feel so sad, they feel so guilty of their self. Oh, I wish I'm me. There are some certain people, when you tell them about your relationship, believe me, they will deceive you. Oh, you say, oh, I just tired. Oh my God. My husband never did try at all. I just tired. I don't know what I want to do. You will see, you will You will see your friend, you will say, my husband, my husband to go good though, my sister. Every month like this, once my husband don't work like this, me with him, we dey share the money equal. He go just give me half of his salary. He go just cut into two. He go just dash me. Say, my husband is the best in the world. I know every husband is the best. But don't use your words to deceive someone. Keep your relationship to yourself. Immediately you hear that one, your head will just burst. Don't go ask go fight. You don't know, maybe that your friend when you tell your matter, say now so your husband not do this one, now so your husband not do this one, say your husband do this one, say your husband do this one. Maybe relationship even worse past your own, you don't know. Whether na blow your husband they blow it, whether na blow your husband they deck am for us, you don't know. Just to impress you. Keep your relationship to yourself. If you are doing well in your relationship, please keep it to yourself. Not everything you tell a friend. Not everything you say out about your relationship. Okay? I don't know maybe if I'm making sense, but I guess yes. Don't allow someone who has not got married and is not ready yet to settle down advise you about your own. You that husband, you have kids. You are living happy with your husband. You and your family are doing well. And you expect someone that is not married yet, someone that don't have experience of marriage to advise you. Now, your relationship will go. Not every advice you should take. Not all. There are some advice that are just made to be screenshots. If the best can finish, let them go. You don't take advice anyhow. Because there are some advice that can ruin your life, that can ruin your relationship, that can ruin your marriage. Don't jump into a relationship because your friend got married. You want to jump into marriage? Your friend do wedding with 10,000. You yourself, you say now by force. Now that I'll do. I must do my own. Any idea, I go do one. Don't make mistake. Don't enter a relationship you will regret at the end of the day. Yeah. If you have a relationship, keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. If everything is going well in a relationship, keep it to yourself. There are kind of people you tell about what's happening in your relationship, what is going on. Oh, my relationship is about to fall. My relationship is not going well. And they will say, don't worry. The Lord is your strength. Their words lift your spirit. Their words give you courage, give you confidence. Their words make you strong. I say, yes, my friend told me this, and I believe. But some, No, you carry your relationship with where they do. Because after the discussion, they will be the one to mock you tomorrow. They will be the one to tell their friends. Their friends will be their friends. They will still tell them. Say, that my friend. You know that my friend, they call you. No mind now, every time now you and your husband, you and your boyfriend. Every time they fight, big. Their matter don't even tire me. Their matter don't tire me. If you advise me today, say, may I come for my marriage? May I come marry your own? You allow me marry your husband? No relationship is perfect. No one. All you need to do is making your relationship a good one. Build it yourself. Build it in a way you will like it. Oh, your relationship is not so good. Yeah. Don't worry. I will build it myself. And believe me, next time you see my relationship, you know that I'm a woman. I'm talking about the women, the girls. Keep secrets. Keep your relationship from friends. They are friends. They don't meant to be your friends. They are just there as photo shoots. Keep your relationship away from them. Let your man, your husband, your boyfriend be your friend. Especially for the married women. Let your husband be your best friend. Outside your marriage, you don't get best friend again. Now your husband, your kids, they should be your best friend. Your husband should be your advisor. Take advice from him. Oh, honey, I want to make this, but I don't know if it's right. What do you think of it? If you say yes, two of you have to, you weigh it. Let me say you want to do something. Your husband never know. Your friend, where they might do good, you don't hear. That is not marriage. You are not encouraging the marriage to grow fast. You are not encouraging the marriage to move forward. Remove your marriage for friends. Remove your marriage from others. Let your marriage be your marriage. Let your friends be your friends. Yeah. Don't tell me what I've already known. Tell me new things. Tell me, I love new things. You cannot fool your man outside today and tomorrow you wanted to cover it up. Trust me, Nigeria people, no they carry last. As you tell the finish, as they go and our nose, then they discuss you. I say no mind, I say they make matter. You also come disgrace tomorrow for my present. Respect your home. Respect your marriage. Learn how to make so in your marriage. Learn how to keep secrets in your marriage. Are you getting me? The man did not have today. That does not mean the man will not have tomorrow. Don't look at the present of man. Think about the future. Because you know why? The future is more better than the present. We are not fighting about the present now. We are thinking about the future. If I want to make decision, if I want to do something, I don't think about the present. I'm not fighting for the present, but I'm fighting for the future. Because the future is here. You can put the present here, but believe me, when time comes, the future will be here. So let me talk about the men. In every relationship, every woman deserve the best. Every woman need to be respected, need to be honored. Every woman needs to be loved. Don't take your woman as piece of rags. Don't take her for granted. There are some women, they are like axle rock in that relationship. Such women need to be appreciated. Appreciate her. Tell her something lovely, something nice. Even if the woman have 4, 5 kids for you, it doesn't matter. You can still show him her love. Even if he has 4, you can still show her love. Just call her and say, my love, I just want to say thank you. You are a good wife. And every good wife deserves the best. That is what you would have said to her. That is what you should say to her. Not that you marry a strong woman at home. Strong woman who is ready to make the future bright. Who is ready to make things better tomorrow. And still, you don't respect her. You don't listen to her. It's not so good. Love her in every condition. You need to love her. You need to thank her. Many are called, but few are chosen. Hard woman, strong woman is difficult to get. When you eventually get one, you respect her. Because it's not so easy to get. When you get her, you appreciate her. Don't take your girlfriend matter outside. Don't take your wife matter outside. Sitting with your friends, discuss her issue with your friends. That woman just they give me problem. That woman, she just they give me problem every time for her. She make me the vex. Why are you the head of the house? Why are you the head of the house? You are always the head for you to make things better. That is why you are the head of the home. It make you vex, come fast today. It make you vex, come fast tomorrow. It make you vex, come fast next tomorrow. Anytime they make you the vex, they come fast. It's not so good. You should also learn how to keep your relationship. Let your wife be your friend. There are some women, when something happened and they try to encourage the man, they try to tell him sweet words, they try to tell him what he liked to hear, just to make it easy for the man. The man will say, pick up, I know those kids sign. No, it's not so. You are head of the home. Appreciate women. They like to be appreciated, to be lovely. Love them. Love them with all your heart. When you want to talk about your wife outside, it should be the positive way. Say good things about her. Tell your friends some good things about her. Oh, I love my wife so much. I can't do without that woman. If not for her. If not for her. In case your friends see your wife next time for road, the way you talk about person, now some other person go take respect that person if they see her for road. If you talk about your wife and your husband anyhow for your friends, if they see her for road, they go still look anyhow. You know why? Now because now the way you tell them about the person, let make them look anyhow. Yeah. Be the man. The man is always the man. Protect your family. Love them. Appreciate them. So that would be the topic from the relationship. I'm talking about friends now. So let's talk about friends. There are some friends you should let go in this 2021. There are friends you don't need anymore. Just let them go. You know why? Because they are not adding to your, they are not adding to your progress. They are just withdrawing. They are not adding to it. You don't need their opinion. You don't need their advice. Just let them go. There are some friends, they are not meant to be friends. They are just there for decoration. They just there for the decoration. They don't be your friend though. They follow you, they laugh for front. But for your back, another thing that they do, they don't be your friend. My grandma used to say in Kale Darling, said, Onne boboga, amu iton dídùn, amu iná, àwa tó fi fún òde. Èyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ kahau. It's me. There are some friends. They will have the black salad inside and they will split out the white one. But the black one is inside. You don't discuss your success with them. Jealous friends. You don't discuss your success with them. You don't need them in your life. You don't need them. There are some friends, they are like brothers, they are like sisters. They are like family to you. They are so lovely. But some, they are not so. They pretend to be your friend, but they are not your friend. They pretend to be your friend when you fall, so that tomorrow they will mock at you. They pretend to be your friend just to hear some information, just to get some information from you, so that they will spread it out. They are like friends. There are some friends that are like that. Some friends, when they hear you, when they hear good things coming to your way, when they hear your testimony and you start telling them your success, they will say, yeah, thank God, though, thank God. Yeah. Live there. I can't the verse. Which not me. I can't the skills face one can. You don't need those friends. Some friends, they have committed murder because of their words. Not by knife, not by fight, not by no, but with your words. Your words can kill someone's spirit. Your words can make someone feel so bad. And the person will not like to say to you, but your words is hurting the person. But there are some friends, their words lift your spirits, make you strong, feel happy, feel comfortable, feel relaxed. Some friends, they are so lovely, they are super cool. But some, before you tell the word, for Kaduna, people will be saying they did already. They don't hear. A friendly friend. Stop announce your sources to your friends. You all know one explanation. Stop explaining yourself to them. They don't deserve this. Stop explaining yourself. Stop telling them, oh, my success is coming, at this, I have good news. You have not even received it. You have started broadcasting yourself, start narrating yourself. Allow your success to announce itself, not you announce your success. Allow your success to broadcast himself, not you. Stop narrating yourself. Stop it. You don't need that. You don't need it. There are some friends, when you tell them what you want to do, they will deceive you to make the wrong decision. You learn how to make decisions for yourself. Learn how to stand for yourself. Learn how to be who you want yourself to be. If I want to make decision, I don't need a party. Me, I don't need a party. 1 minute. Or what for? 1 minute, I don't make decision. Me, I know they look back if I didn't make decision. Once I don't wear like this. Once me don't wear, I don't need another person to tell me what to do. No. I'm matured enough to know what is good for me and to know what is not good for me. I'm matured enough. My grandma will say, a fool for fault is a fool forever. She will say, a fool for fault is a fool forever. You're an adult. You don't need third party in your life. Start giving you order. Telling you what to do. Carry your success to your friend. And say, oh, 2020, lot has happened just because of friends. Jealous friends. Lots happen. Don't make friends anyhow. In this new life, you don't make friends anyhow. Some friends, I don't know whether they be monitor spirits. They will just be there. You start to pursue them, they no go. They'll just be there. Monitor your life. And you, anyhow you spend your life, you also they tell them they go. They will be happy in your presence, yeah. But believe me, in your back, they are not happy. They are sad. They are sad because you are progressing. They are sad because you are successful. They are sad because your life is turning around for good, because your life is so sweet like honey. They are hungry. When they see you, they smile at you. But believe me, behind you, they are not. They are not. Let your God be. If you want friend, then you meet God. Tell your secret to God, not friends. You are expecting success, then tell it to God. Not friends. Because they'll just spoil it for you. They'll run everything down. They will spoil it. You don't need them. But there are some friends. They are really cool. They are good. They are like family. They stand for you when others stand against you. When you fall, they are always there to rise you up. When you are crying, when you are sad, they are always there to make you happy. They are always there. They will just say one word to you, and believe me, you just start smiling, you just start laughing, and you say, go jare, go jare. You just start smiling. You start laughing. There are some friends that are like that. Those are kind of friends I love. Those are kind of friends we need in this 2021. Not a friendly friend. Not friend that is waiting for your downfall. Is waiting for you to fall so that she or he can rejoice. Yeah, some friends, they wait for your downfall and they rejoice over it. But why some, when you fall, they feel so sorry, they feel so sad from the depth of their heart. They try to lift you up with their words. They encourage you. They give you strength. That's why I say there are some friends, they are like family. They are like your blood, like my blood. They are like family. They are always there for you. Not photo shoot friends. No, not those ones. I'm not talking about those ones. I'm talking about the real one, the genuine friends. So guys, that will be all for today. By next week, I'll be talking about family. By next week, yeah, I'll be talking about family. So guys, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And please drop your comments just for me to know your thoughts, for me to know what you feel about my topic of today. Please guys, don't forget to drop your comments. Please drop a comment for me to know. Yeah, I love you so much guys, and I really appreciate every one of you. I appreciate, and I say God bless you all. God bless you. All right, true. Bye.